Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Kalita Stylish Ways. On this channel we do beauty and fashion with a touch of DIY. So today's video we are doing a 2023 updated eyebrow tutorial and how to apply your eyelashes. So let's get into it right away. Now, if you see me watching down, I'm watching at a mirror, right? First thing first, I am going to brush up my brows with a spoolie like this. Then I'm going to apply some translucent powder on my eyebrows. Some people use brow soap, which I am using. Some people use liquid brow gel. It's according to what you want to use. Now mind you, when you're doing your eyebrows and you wanted to get that perfected, it does take time. Trust me, it does take a lot of time. So I am giving you all the raw deal here. How long I just take to do my eyebrows. So when I brush up, I press it down one time. So it lie down flat. I take this spoolie and I just direct the eyebrows down. What I am doing, I'm going in back with some translucent powder and press it in. Now I'm using my Sculpting Brown pencil by AOA Studio in the shade Moby. Right, so it's actually I'm using a black pencil. Light feather. I use my hand and light feather the pencil light as I can and flick it and fill in all the gaps. Same thing on this side. Using is a flat brush, very thin, and I'm going to shape out my brows with some LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Almond. And above my eyebrows, what I usually do, go in with my foundation at the top of my eyebrows. Let me tell you all something. Time you do your eyebrows won't come out perfect. You have to spend time to do your eyebrows perfect. It do take up time. When you're watching, let me zoom out a bit. When you're watching makeup tutorials, you realize when people doing their makeup, they already done their eyebrows, because it does take up a lot of time. Now this is not so perfect, but I still try. And now let me just apply some foundation on my face alone, just foundation alone, and I will come back and show you all how I apply the eyelashes. Now for eyelashes, some people apply the eyelashes first and apply mascara after at the bottom of it. What I do, I apply mascara first, then I apply the false eyelashes. So I'm doing it my way. Everybody have different ways of doing it. Remember how I told you all in a video before, you take the mascara, you hold it at the bottom and you just work your way up. Everybody eye shape are different, so what I do, I measure it first like this to see if it will be too long for me or too short. It's too long for me, so what I am doing, I'm going and cut it a little bit. Sometimes it came with this kind of peak at each end. You could cut off that as well and measure it to your likeness. Now this is perfect. I'm using my AOA lash glue, best glue for me. Some people apply the glue on the lid where the band is supposed to go, but I apply the glue on my band and let it sit for a bit, and then I apply it and it will stick. What you do is take the lashes in the middle and then you press it down on each side. Like that. Perfectly. Then you can use your eyelashes clamp and clamp it down. Look up and you press. Let me do the next side. I cut the ends, these pieces that's like to stick out. Right now my fan need to charge, my face fan. Clamp. And then you look up and you press. Now, if you don't know how to put on a strip, keep on practicing, please. Sometimes I do have bad days of putting on eyelashes and doing my eyebrow. It don't come out perfect every time, but with the constant putting on eyelashes and taking it out, you will get accustomed to it. So what you need to do is go in Wonderful World, Pennywise, any place you see eyelashes, buy a few pairs, buy a glue, buy everything, and just keep on trying. You will apply it perfectly in your long run. Oh, any supply beauty store. Now to finish off this, when you are applying your eyelashes, you get a black pencil, eyeliner pencil, and you just take your water lines like this. And it will go inside like this as well. Some people go in the corner of the eyes. Notice I'm going on the bottom. Watch, let me do it again. And I'm going to this side. So that's it, guys, with the eyebrows and the eyelashes. It's very simple. All I can tell you is to practice, 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 and eventually you will get it right. Right? That's how I started off. So hope this video was all helpful with eyebrows and eyelashes. This is a short video, right? That's showing you something simple. So guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, put on your notification bell, and share. Sharing is caring. And please thumbs up the video when you finish watch the video, and also let your family subscribe to my channel. Anywho, take care. Bye.